VirtualBox. You create a Windows 11 virtual machine on VirtualBox. You follow these steps to create a Windows 11 installation that includes your favorite applications. You ensure BitLocker is disabled on the Windows 11 virtual machine. Open the command window with administrator privileges. The hard drive is encrypted. I disabled it using the following command. The letter representing the operating system partition. Hard drive encryption is disabled. Next, you shrink the operating system partition to create a new partition. The purpose of this will be discussed later. You create a new partition of about 20 gigabytes. New simple volume. Your virtual machine has two different partitions. Next, you browse to the folder named Sysprep. This is the path to that folder. Sysprep. Run as administrator. Enter System Audit Mode. Reboot. After completing boot into a different mode, you delete the users. Computer management. Local users and groups. Users. Remove users. Delete. Yes, okay. Next, you install applications on the Windows 11 virtual machine. Here I install Google Chrome, an application not available on Windows 11. Next, you browse to the Sysprep folder. The path is the same as before. Sysprep. Enter System Out-of-Box Experience. Generalize. Shut down. The next task is to boot the virtual machine from a rescue tool. In this case, I choose Hiren's boot. Storage. System. Disable UEFI. Disable floppy. Optical. Up. Start the virtual machine using Hiren's boot. Partitions on the virtual machine's hard drive. Your task is to capture the operating system image and save it to an empty partition. You open the command window and follow these steps. Help. Capture image. Capture image help. Copy sample command. Partition to save image file. Windows 11 Operation System Partition. Partition C. Name. The operation completed successfully. Shut down virtual machine. Set virtual machine to boot from hard drive. Disable optical. Enable UEFI. Start. Next, create a new shared folder to copy the image file from the virtual machine to the physical machine. Folder path. A folder on the physical computer. Auto mount. Make machine permanent. This is the shared folder. You just need to copy the image file to this folder on the virtual machine. Paste. Next, use software called AnyBurn to customize the Windows 11 ISO file. Browse to the original Windows 11 installation file. Sources. Remove the original image file and replace it with the customized image file. Install.wim. The above are the steps to add applications into the Windows 11 installer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.